Hey there, word wizards. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common dilemma: how do you convert a PDF file into a Word document, and better yet, how do you do it for free? Well, stick around because I've got you covered. First things first, open up Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, click on Open option. Click on Browse. Find the PDF file on your computer, select it, and then click on Open. When you open a PDF file in Word, click on OK. Now, feel free to edit and customize your document however you like. You have all the familiar Word tools at your disposal. Now to convert it, click on File. Select Save As. Click on Browse. Leave everything as it is and then click on Save. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF file into a Word document for free, all within Microsoft Word itself. So, next time you're faced with a PDF that needs some editing, remember this handy trick. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy converting.